Magandang araw mga estudyante sa Statistics and Probability. So I am Mr. Oscar Vix Antonino, your teacher. So I'm here to discuss with you your performance task for this midterm or third quarter, which is developing a survey tool. This performance task is preparation to a survey. Kasi, di ba, statistics and probability to. And I want to teach you how to conduct a survey and how to deal with data and how to use statistics to analyze your data. So the end goal here is to produce a data set where the students can use for data management and analysis. So, yung gagawin nating survey tool, sasagutan din natin yan per class. So, one for AHG and one for STVL. So, the objectives of this performance task for this midterm is at the end of the activity, the students can identify an interesting topic for a survey, construct at least 5 questions that are relevant to the topic, and construct a multiple section questionnaire using Google Forms. So, total points ito is 40 points. So, first is, this has been done by AHG. It just happens yung STVL, hindi tayo nag-meet kahapon. So, form groups of 3 to 6 members. Okay? So, up to 6 members only. Discuss the survey topic that you want your classmates to answer. Kasi kayo sasagot niyan eh. So, kailangan interesting. So, from the chosen topic, construct 5 questions. Make sure that the answer to your question is measurable. It can be counted, tallied, or measured in units. Alright? So, on a 1/4 piece of paper, you write your group members, your chosen topic, and 5 questions related to your topic. Okay? Pag nagsabit kayo ng 1/4 paper, 10 points na agad yon sa performance task niyo. Now, what's next? So, ganyan ang itsura ng 1/4 sheet of pad paper ninyo. For example, okay, I have 5 group members. I will assign your group number depending on the order of submission. So, kunwari, ang group 1 ko is the group who submitted first. So, yung AHG, meron na yan. Yung STVL, kailangan yung isubmit sa akin and then I will assign kung sino yung group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, etc. Alright? So, for example, my topic is diet and nutrition. Okay. So, I have 5 questions here. So, first, ang tanong ko, how often do you eat vegetables in a week? And then the possible answers, pwedeng never, 1 time per week, 2 to 3 times a week, 4 to 6 times a week, or every day. Kasi weekly ang tanong eh. So, ganyan lang siya. O same with fruits. How often do you eat fruits? So, same possible answers. And then, how often do you drink soft drinks or other sweet drinks? So, same possible answers. And then lastly, I will ask, what is your weight in kilogram, actual value, or what is your height in centimeters, actual value? Kasi gusto ko i-compute yung body mass index ninyo. This is just an example, no? Okay? So, syempre kayo, kung ano yung topic ninyo, yun yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, please see the Google form. So, I have a separate Google form for AHG and a separate for STVL. Kulay orange yata, yellow-orange yung sa AHG. Kulay green naman yung STVL. So, each group is given one section where your group number and topic or title are provided. So, populate or put your questions under your designation section. For each question, you choose whether your type of question is either a short answer, it is an open-ended short word phrase or number. For example, dito, what is your weight in kilogram? So, number yung sagot dyan eh. So, short answer yan. Okay? Pwedeng multiple choice, alright? Multiple choice, itong 1, 2, and 3, multiple choice yan. Never, 1 time a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and so on and so forth. Or pwede siyang score system. Kunwari, meron kang strongly agree, strongly disagree. So, 1 to 5 yung rating mo. Right? Or pwedeng actual date or actual time yung itanong. Okay? So, these are the possible type of answers or type of question that you can put to your Google Forms. So, I would like to go now to the Google Forms ng STVL. Gusto ko din ipakita yung sa AH, hindi na. So, yung for the STVL, pareho lang naman yung first page. So, this is how it looks like. Ginawa ko na to. So, I believe some of you know how to do Google Forms. Yung iba, pakituruan na lang kung papaano. So, okay. So, how to do this? I have already put some questions for everyone to answer, to use. This is like your baseline information or basic information. So your name, you can use your actual name, or you can invent a pen name or an imaginary name to keep yourself anonymous, kasi kunwari ay ayaw mong i-expose yung mga answers mo diyan, pwede kang mag-invent ng name. And then you mention your strand, okay? And then yung age, okay. And then sex or gender, male, female. Wag na tayo mag non-binary ha. Basta ang biological gender or sex is male or female. Tapos how many are you in the household? So are you 10 people in the household? Are you 5? Are you 2? So just inform me. And then, what is your mode of transportation to school? Is it walking, public transport, etc.? So, these are already existing. So, sa ngayon, you don't need to answer. We are just constructing muna your survey form or survey tool. So, I have provided you the basic question sa simula. Okay? Internet access at home, etc. Ngayon, I have created one section or new section for each group. Yung nakita ng mga STVL nung the first time that they saw it, nagulat sila kasi may group 1, group 2, group 3 na. Actually, one section per group. For example, ang isang group na identify ko, sila Cebuano et al. Okay? So, siya yung first group niyan. Kunwari, ang topic nila is brushing of teeth, or yung example ko na lang, diet and nutrition. Okay, so yan, kumare. So for group 1, Cebuano will do diet and nutrition. Okay, tapos group 2, gagawa tayo ng bagong section. To make a section, you have to press this one, add section. Okay, yan. So, kunwari, group 2 naman is group 2. Sino bang dyan? Kunwari, yung girls naman, si Aquino et al. Okay? So, kunwari, ang topic niya is makeup or something. Or kunwari, music interest. Kunwari. Okay? So, yan. So, group 2 will work on section 3 of 3, itong sa part na to. And then, group 1, yung group ni Cebuano, dito kayo gagawa ng mga questions ninyo. So, I will demonstrate how to do it. So, I will add one question. Add question. And then, you're going to type the question. So, going back, yan. So, how often do you eat vegetables in a week? Isusulat ko dito. Okay. So, pwede ko naman i-copy-paste na. Okay? So, how do you eat vegetables in a week? Okay? So, ano sinabi ko? Never. 1 to 2 times a week. Ano nga ba yun? 2 to 3 times a week. Tapos, 2 to 3 times a week. 4 to 6 times a week. And then, every day. Always, or every day. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, that's my question number 1. So, you keep it as it is. Pwedeng i-required mo, pwedeng hindi. So, para may sagot lahat, hindi sila makaka-move forward kapag hindi nila sinagot to. i-set mo na required. Ito yung sinasabi ko mga possible type of question. So pwedeng short answer. Pag paragraph, hindi na yan pwede sa statistics kasi mahirap itali ang paragraphs, no? So short answers lang tayo. So pwedeng multiple choice. Yung mga multiple choice pwedeng checkbox, drop down. Pero by default, multiple choice na lang. Hindi tayo magpo-file upload kasi gusto lang natin sagutin yung mga tanong. As in, itatali natin, gagawa natin ng statistics yung mga sagot nila. So, they don't need to upload the file. If you want to have like a opinion score na strongly agree, strongly disagree, so you can use a linear scale and so on and so forth. Or, kung gusto nyo actual date or actual time yung sasagot nila, pwede naman. Okay? So, these are the possible choices that you can use. So, what I use here is multiple choice. Now, pwede ko itong i-duplicate. If I duplicate, kasi if you recall, pare-pareho lang yung sagot, iba lang yung tanong. So, I can duplicate. So, let's duplicate. Duplicate question. So, how often do you eat fruits naman in a week? Fruits. Alright? O, 2 fruits. Okay? And then, okay na. So, wala ka nang babaguhin kasi same answers naman eh. Okay? And then, add another one. Ano yung tinanong ko? How often do you drink? Do you drink soft drinks? So, number 3, how often do you drink soft drinks or other sweet drinks in a week? Okay? And then, same lang naman yung answers, di ba? Same lang naman yung possible answers. Okay? And then, last, okay, dadagdag. Ito, wag mong papakialaman kung hindi ka group number 2, ha? Ayokong magkandaletse-letse yung mga sagot ng iba at sasabutahihin nyo yung ibang grupo. Just work within the section that were assigned to you. Okay? So, next, pwedeng i-duplicate, pwedeng bago. Okay? From here, bago na. I-check mo lang kung correct yung order mo, no? So, from group 1, Cebuano et al. 1, 2, 3. So, question 4 ka na. Anong tanong ko? What is your weight in kilograms? What is your weight in kilograms? Kilograms. Okay? This one, short answer, text. Pwede nating iset yan. Okay, kunwari, response validation limits the possible answers. So, ang possible answer number should be between. Okay? Pwedeng number, ano bang pinaka magaan sa inyo? Kunwari, meron dyan 10 kilos o 10 kilos. Tapos sabihin natin, pinaka mabigat, 300 kilos. Or siguro, sige, 200 kilos kunwari. Okay? So, yan. O yan. Ibig sabihin, yung pwede nilang i-type dito, i-answer, is between 10 to 200 kilograms only. Okay. Then, okay na yan. And then, add another one. So, bago. What is your height? 5. What is your height in centimeters? Ako, ang height ko is 171. So, siguro ang pinakamatangkad siguro, aabot siguro 250 or something. So, pwede kong ilimit yan. Short answer pa rin. Short answer. And then, response validation. Just to control, para sigurado na within the limits yung possible answers. So, sabihin natin, number siya. Tapos, it is between, ano bang pinakamaliit? Kunwari, may nag 100 centimeters. Tapos hanggang 300 centimeters. Okay? So, yan lang yung mga possible answers. And then, that's it. So, okay na yun. Once you finish this is for your group. So, ipapakita niya na sa akin. I-alert. You don't need to upload anything. After submitting yung 1/4 sheet of pad paper, you just finish your sections here. Please do not sabotage your other groups. Basta gawin nyo yan. Kasi isang pahaba lang yan eh. For now. Ang mangyayari niyan is, pag preview mo, so, ito yung sasagutan mo, di ba? So, sasagutan. Tapos, next section, although hindi ko pa masasagot yan, Sige, sabihin na natin, I am Oscar. Tapos ako ay STEM, kunwari. Age ko is, kunwari ako ay 19 years old. Ako ay male. How many are you in the household? We are 7. Well, dalawang household naman kami, pero 7. Mode of transportation to school, public transport. Internet access with stable connection. Next. Ayan. Record Santo Niño. Yes. Okay. O sige, next. And then, pupunta na ako kay Group 1 Cebuano. So, sasagutin ko na yan. Okay? Pero, at this point, hindi muna natin sasagutin yan. Okay? So, ganyan po yung ating expectation. So, balik tayo sa leave. Hindi ko na isa-save yung ginawa natin. So, ganun lang po yung gagawin natin, ha? Mamaya, pupunta ako sa classroom ninyo to clarify. So, ang mangyayari, rubrics ninyo, yung rubrics ninyo is content grammar 10 points, relevance to senior high school life, logical possible answers 10 points, plus yung 10 points ng 1/4 pad paper, so total of 40 points. Yun lang. See you later. Bye.